I know there was one particular issue that came up before the court, which was for the county employees.
Yes.
And the restructuring of their retirement.
That was a tough one. That was tough, and it was tough to follow, and it was very involved. And anybody that knows me, I'm an information junkie, and I vet, and I drive people crazy because I will not weigh in until I have all the information. And on that one, I had to just stay silent. I was confused. I understood the court is a great fiscal conservatives on that court. I understand that they thought that a change needed to be made, and were adamant in doing this because they thought that the county was at risk financially. But I did follow loosely. I did attend a couple of meetings, and when I would see the elected reps in the county, department heads, some of the county employees come up, there was confusion. They did not understand. These people, we're one of the fastest growing counties, not in Texas, ladies and gentlemen, in the United States. And so we have got to prepare for the future. These elected officials in the county, they have to hire, they have to recruit, and we want good people. We are the jewel of North Texas. We are the best. We are an affluent county. Median income, $80,000 a year, and the average home price, and this is unbelievable to me, is north of $200,000. We are a very blessed county, and we want to keep Collin County #1, and it's because of the people of Collin County. It's because of the good county employees. It's because of all the wonderful elected officials. And I also attended Citizens Prosecutors Academy. I highly recommend this. It's a program you show up for. It was 8 to 12 weeks. You would go once a week, and they would present to you a different department and have people come and speak to you. And it was soup to nuts with the county. They covered all the different, the juries, the judges, even the coroner's office. That was a fascinating one. A child advocacy program. And it just gave me such a good overview, and the jail too, even a tour of the jail. And what I want to say about that, I came away with such a profound respect for the employees of Collin County. I was moved, and even called Sheriff Box after the tour of the jail, because it renewed my sense of humanity when I went and saw that jail, saw how the deputies treat the inmates. There is such a level of respect, and I wasn't prepared for it. I've never toured a jail. I didn't know what to expect, but it was a marvelous experience, and I cannot say enough about the county employees, and that's what concerned me, the unrest that the pension thing caused. Now, I think there was,
How do you feel about the plan that they want?
I still think there's questions, because I think even the day of the vote, there were 2 commissioners that said that perhaps they needed more information, and I'm thinking, I'm watching this, I'm from the outside, so who am I? If they're still wanting information, I know my personality, I would want more information too. And so I have to say that. Now, I have talked to a commissioner in Grayson County. They thought this was very necessary, but up there they brought someone in to talk to the employees, someone an objective opinion from the outside that could come and explain this and put some comfort and ease with the employees. But that was a tough one. That was a tough one, and but we'll know more going forward.
Yeah, it was, and it's for the folks that work with the county that have been through that, it's been a painful process. But then you look at some of our northern neighbors and the fiscal troubles that those cities and counties are going through.
Right, we cannot go the way of California. I understand that. I'm a fiscal conservative, but the devil's in the details, and sometimes there's you have to look at when people are vetted. Do they take money out, or do they get the full match? There's so many variables involved, and I just have to not weigh in on that.